Hi, today we're going to learn about arrays. First, let's type in int array equals new int 1. System.out.println array 0. Let's run the program. Here you can see 0 down here. Now what this program does is it initializes an array of type int, and here we've set the size to 1. Now an array is just a list. Okay, and the system is going to print out the value as index 0, and the size has only one size, and the array always starts at index 0, and then from index 0 it goes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can assign a number to an array, typing array 0 equals 1, 2, 3. Let's run the program. And here you can see 1, 2, and 3 down here. Now, if you were to add another array at index 1 and assign it a value and run the program, you will see an error here because the array starts from 0 again and the size is 1, and at 0 already represents the size of 1. So in order for this to work, you have to increase the size to 2 and then run the program again. And here there will be no errors. Now if you want to print out the array at index 1, you replace the 0 here with the 1 and run the program. Here you hit tell. And this is it for today. And thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for new videos.